It's here. Man, we've been waiting for this day for so motherfucking long, man. It's been crazy. Everything I said I do. Them long roads back and forth to the A, man. My dog said he was ready, man. We took them trips. Nothing changed, stayed down, man. Made something out of nothing. Man, the Aloof Group presents to you the undeniable, the unstoppable. Corey Page. Everything I said I do. This shit legendary, man. Blessed.
Everything I said I do is everything I did. I like to thank God. This past week in my life has been like a spiral. It's all going downhill, I hope for my survival. Fuck, I wasn't ready, please don't tell me, just forget it. Prank phone calls, they saying that you 8 months pregnant, oh yeah. It's been like 2 or 3 days, I haven't felt sleep. That baby due in October. You wait 2 weeks to tell me, now you back in California with a big belly on you. You can pop any day, but you acting like shit is normal, I feel it. You LOL, you think that's something funny. And I know your character, girl, because you come from money. You sitting comfortable, you tell me that my dreams too iffy. Growing up, I didn't have a choice, a Beamer, Benz, a Bentley like you. I got my wings and I've been flew out my mother nest. I've been staying humble, I've been striving to be the best. It's something fishy about your pregnancy. And you was banging, oh boy, that's what your own friends telling me. So cut the act, but who the hell is he? If it's mine, I step up, but if it's not, I guess you failed to see. I'm dedicated to my rhymes, I know I better eat. Hottest young nigga out, I hope you bring some better heat. Every night and every morning, hope you know I'm never sleep. I'm up, I see you tweet goodnight emojis, all that shit is weak. MCA checks every Friday is the shit I see. I guess it really works. Let me discuss this business first with you bitch ass niggas. Putting this music out, but you been trash, nigga. No free features, I see that you need to get cash, nigga. Oh, forget about it, but don't forget about me. That negativity gon' had to get that shit from around me. Now I'm in Atlanta. It's like thought of changing Pampers. Damn, I'm back on that ish again. Life's colder than Michigan. I know it's gotta change. They say God got a plan. Try my best not to complain. Smoking grams while my man shake his hand. I'm glad I came. I lost focus in this city. Think it's time for that to change. If I don't do it, then no one will. Put me for a show to kill. Lately shit has been crazy. I play a beat, smoking chill. Yeah. I want you to focus on who I've become. Nobody's perfect in this world, and I don't try to be. But I'd be damned if I didn't do everything I said I do. I'd like to thank all of my doubters. I couldn't do it without y'all. Stayed down with my team. Didn't let anything come in between us. We're almost there. And I did everything I said I'd do. I did everything I said I'd do. I did everything I said I'd do.